Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. MCX copper price was moving in sideways range by forming lower high lower low formation and given an upward trendline breakout indicate short-term trend is bullish. However, base metal price has broken its important key resistance of 866 level and expect further upside move till 876 and 885 level in upcoming trading sessions. On the downside, key support hold at 860 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.